Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at wrapped PI. So it's very easy to do. You just in by claiming. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through it. Okay, how to unlock wrapped PI. Please watch till the end of this video to understand this project better. Now just make sure you claim it. Okay, so how to claim it? You just click on this claim here. You just tap on it. Okay, it's still reading. Okay, I can't claim it now. Okay, can you see here any 1.00 wrapped per day? So that is it. Now for your referral link, you can get it here by copying or sharing. So this is it over here. So let's get to tax. So you see, these are the tasks you are going to do to earn more points. You are going to join the Discord, you are going to boost channel, join community, follow on X, like and retweet this post, and follow wrapped news. Alright, let's check. Let me click on one now. Let me join their community. Okay, this is the community. And as you can see, wrapped PI hits 200,000 users in just 10 days. Okay, we're excited to announce that wrapped PI has reached over 2,000 users globally in just 10 days of launching this project. We have achieved quite a remarkable achievement and you are part of it. Okay, follow our wrapped news for more news and share stories. So you see, there is nothing really difficult here. Okay, this is just a simple new project. So hop in now. Okay, so let's go back to the app. All right, so now if you want to see the top 100, you just click on this. As you can see, then let's go to P2P. Yeah, you can swap on any of these blockchain like Ton, Solana, BNB, and Ethereum. Okay, so there is nothing difficult here. It's a new project. Please join. The earlier the better. Follow me on my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. I'm going to be dropping my link via the description and also on my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching and bye.